In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite external users to a Slack channel with Slack Connect or guest access. Before we start, it helps to know there are two clean ways to bring people from outside your organization into Slack. Use Slack Connect when the person belongs to a different company with their own Slack workspace. Use a guest invitation when you want someone to join only your workspace with limited access. The path you choose affects what they can see and how long they can stay, so pick the option that matches your collaboration needs. Let's begin with Slack Connect. Open the channel where you want to collaborate. Tap or click the channel name at the top to open its details. Choose Add to bring in a new participant. Enter the person's email address, then select the option that indicates they're part of an external organization. Send the invitation. From here, Slack will notify the recipient, and depending on their company's settings, an admin on their side may need to approve the connection. You might also see a pending state in the channel until it's approved. Once everything is confirmed, the external user will appear in the channel, clearly labeled as being from another organization. This is ideal when both sides want to keep conversations in their own workspaces while collaborating in a shared channel. If you'd rather keep the person inside your workspace but with narrow access, invite them as a guest. Head to your workspace settings and look for Invite People. Enter the email address of the person you're bringing in, then use the drop-down to select Guest. Configure their access so they only see the channels you specify, and set an expiration date if you want their access to end automatically. This is great for short-term contractors or clients who only need one project channel or anyone who shouldn't have full workspace visibility. When you're satisfied with the restrictions, send the invite. The guest will receive an email and can join with only the permissions you granted. A few tips as you work through this. You may need the right permissions to send Slack Connect invites or create guests, and some organizations require an admin to approve invitations. If an invite seems stuck, check the pending status or contact your admin. Also, think carefully about data access. Shared channels are transparent across organizations, while guests stay inside your workspace with limited scope, which can be easier to control. That's it. Choose Slack Connect for cross-company collaboration or a guest invite for restricted workspace-only access, and you'll be sharing the right information with the right people in no time.